In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Artistly to build a visual mascot in Artistly AI. First, log into Artistly and head over to the AI Image Generator dashboard. This is where you can create custom mascots, characters, and branding visuals using simple text prompts. To get started, type a detailed description of the mascot you want. For example, you can write something like, friendly cartoon fox mascot, orange and white colors, modern vector style, clean background, expressive face. The more details you include, the better your results will look. Next, choose your preferred art style. Artistly lets you create mascots in cartoon, 3D, anime, vector, or even cinematic styles. You can also adjust the image size and quality settings before generating. Now click the Generate button and let Artistly create your mascot in seconds. If the result isn't exactly what you want, simply edit the prompt, change the style, or generate more variations until you get the perfect design. Once you're happy with your mascot, download the image and start using it for your YouTube channel, website, business branding, or social media content. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.